Hello, 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 Puerto SOB. Let's do this quick. All right, we didn't have time in class to get through this, so I'm going to go through this quick. These are words that you just should know. Okay, I think these words are very common in the English language. It says match the words in the box with the definitions 1 through 8. There are 2 words you don't need. Something very cold, woo, breathing. To make something new, create. Use too much of something, waste. Very loud, deafening. Find the answer to, solve. Find out the size of something, measure. Very bad, dreadful. Very beautiful, gorgeous. Okay, we use that a lot. And so boiling we didn't use. That means if something's boiling, it's either 100 degrees Celsius or it's really hot. And enormous, very, very big. Okay, exercise 2. Let's go for it. My phone is connected or communicated? Connected with Wi-Fi. But the videos are not playing. Number 2, Allison thought the film was fascinating, but I fell asleep after 20 minutes. Some of the scenes in the horror film were terrifying. I couldn't watch. What time will my new computer be delivered tomorrow? Olives are collected by shaking the tree really hard so that they fall on the ground. The wedding was marvelous, and the bride's dress was stunning. Stunning. You have that next year, Bachillerato. Lots of insects were attracted by the smell of food. That's right. Bees are very attracted to to food. Several enormous rocks fell from the side of the mountain. All right, number 3, the grammar. It says complete the text with the correct passive form of the verbs in brackets. Help us fix the castle. Originally, to build the old castle, enormous rocks, passive voice, were collected from the mountains near here, and they were delivered by teams of hundreds of people pulling them. The thick walls were all created by hand and the rocks were measured very carefully because they had to go together perfectly. Now, so change of tense, all the rocks are lying on the ground. So each rock is pulled and then it is dropped in the right place. We are making good progress. Next year we will start on the roof. The roof is made next year will be made of wood. Trees from local forests will be cut down and they will be brought here. Okay? And I think you had this exercise 4, so check it. Complete the sentences with tag questions. And maybe we won't have this on the exam, but just a good review. We're here. It's a gorgeous day, isn't it? We can't connect the printer, can we? Emily hasn't worked out the answers, has she? Dennis didn't collect the book, did he? These problems will be solved, won't they? Rosanna doesn't waste any time, does she? All the pieces on the table have been measured, haven't they? Bees produce honey, don't they? Okay. All right. That was 3 minutes. We could have done that in class, guys. Oh well. See you later.